Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to respond to a prompt in order to update it. So let's say I'm going to enter a prompt. What are some effective and engaging ways teachers can use Gemini in the classroom? So a basic prompt generates a response. And now I want to update that. So what I'm going to say is I'm just going to enter a new prompt. Now the nice thing about this is Gemini remembers the previous response. So great, can you make it specific to history teachers? All right, so now what it's done is it reformulated that response, combining the last two prompts. It's looking for effective and engaging ways to use AI in the classroom, but also specifically gearing that towards teachers of history or social studies. So one way to update a response that you like, but you think needs to be altered at least just a little bit, you can go back and edit the original prompt, or you can just suggest Gemini change it in a specific way through the next prompt. So you can respond to the results of your prompt to get an updated prompt or updated response.